Dr. Mukul Sangma ulakentat igijing kynnoh usumbut Menteri Rang Bah Bah Prestone Tensong bagi sorkar Dr. Mukul Sangma Ialam Bakla hakbaidai bat MRSSA. Dr. Mukul Sangma ulong bau Bah Prestone Tensong udah wenik badan lang hakapor bathaw ganigaan. Bat usngusen ayu ubu persyang manri hagajing pensyongnya bakla kaan. Ulong bo sngubitar ru namar bo udang tok ya lagi jong gipat ba kiblajit yu na kepenursla constituency. Dr. Mukul Sangma ula pensyai ba anda la pentrikam ya ka act ha ka gadget ladai pentrikam nadu kata-kata rek bala penmi ya ka barka kamram jang sarkar kalong banshna ya ki rule niki kendon ban pentrikam ya kanu kaan barka high court kala kado baklem ki guideline batikna kaan kamla pentrikam. Ula kena bagi sarkar kam shnai kini ki kendon namar kadon gajing temu basniau ban penwet ya gajing pentrikam ya kani kaan. Dr. Mukul Sangma ulong balada ke sarkar kam shania ke MRSSA arajar ka nrio kede bantau hino ada kaan ke batmai baneda ya ke bha kamyat bar ke bit ke biang jong ki pat ba
interact. Okay, I am the author, he was also co-author, he was also there while we were discussing, and if he wants to somehow take shelter under this kind of misinterpretation of the mandate of the law, I pity him. But at the same time, I'm angry also because he is lying to the people. He is lying to the people who have elected him. He is lying to the people of Peninsula also. Are Peninsula people not concerned about immigration? They are, yes. Yes. He is lying to his own people who have given mandate to them. Yes. If this is not there, now how is the mandate of a law implemented? Once a law is, rather, I would put it that way, once an act is notified, it becomes effective from that given indicated date as per the Gazette notification. What is the other responsibility of the government? Come up with the rules. Come up with the rules for implementing any act. Once you have an act, you should have a rule to implement it. So who is stopping him from making that rule? That is exactly what the Honorable High Court has referred to in absence of proper guidelines. So if the proper guidelines, that rule pertaining to implementation of that mandate of the law is not properly designed, who is stopping him from doing it? After the observation of the Honorable High Court, how many years have passed? Why they couldn't do? That means they have a mala fide intention not to implement this. I will tell you why they don't want to implement this. Now, what are the other aspects? Because the law revolves around safety and security. Because that's the actual subject which is vested with the state government, rather the state legislature. Law and order is a state subject. So, take advantage of this huge space of responsibility vis-a-vis the particular list I'm referring to. Now, in order to ensure safety and security, there are certain things. Now you talk about so many petty crimes. Why are they grappling with the solution to deal with this problem? Because what we started as per the mandate of this act, all this habitation must also be with that intent of ensuring safety and security of the residents and the state as a whole. Proper CCTV along the national highways, CCTV along the state highways. Now tell me, if these CCTVs would have been all along the national highways and state highways, they could have easily checked coal mine, illegal coal transportation and illegal coal mining. They want to allow illegal coal mining. That's why they're not implementing this. Let me tell you, and let them come and debate with me on this allegation. Yes, the moment this act is implemented in letter and spirit, no illegal transportation of illegal mine coal can take place also.